Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Are you trying to download the Zalo app but it just won't install or keeps showing an error? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix the Zalo app not downloading problem step by step. First step, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Open YouTube or Google to confirm you are connected. If it's slow, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Second step, clear Play Store cache and data. For that, go to your phone settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Then use the search icon at the top right and search for Google Play Store. Here it is, scroll down and go to storage and then tap clear cache and then clear data. After that, reopen the Play Store and search for Zalo again. Third step, check storage space. If your phone's storage is almost full, new apps won't install. For that, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called storage. Mine is under device care. And here check if you have at least 200 MB free space. Delete unused apps or files to free up space if needed. Fourth step, restart your phone because a simple restart can fix small glitches that stop app downloads. Just restart your phone and try downloading Zalo again. Fifth step, update Google Play services. For that, go to Google Play Store, search for Google Play services and check if an update is available. If yes, update it because outdated Play services can block downloads. And if nothing else works, check Google Account Sync. Go to settings, scroll down and find this option called Accounts and Backup and tap on it. And here go to Manage Accounts and select the Google account. And here tap Sync Account. Make sure your Google account is properly synced. If not, tap Sync now or re-add your Google account. And that's how you fix Zalo app not downloading on your phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.